mobile connections may cause delays on your reception.
For your audio issues, check your Zoom audio and computer settings. Your audio setting is turned off by default to reduce webinar disturbances.
Recording of presentation is prohibited. Any audio or video unintentionally shared during the seminar is your responsibility.
Post your questions, comments in the chat box. Certificate of attendance may be claimed after the completion of evaluation and post-test. The link will be given at the end of all lectures.
Use your PRC registered name to properly identify yourself as an attendee.
Be courteous all the time.